The Cade Moas folding hand saw delivers superior cutting performance with its sharp, durable blade, ideal for tree trimming and pruning tasks. Crafted from premium high manganese steel, its triple bevel staggered teeth ensure ultra-smooth, sharp sawing for precise, efficient cuts. The foldable design and secure lock system make it safe and convenient to carry. Simply press the handle's black button to open or close the blade without risk of accidental closure. Built for durability and reliability, this handsaw withstands heavy-duty use, making it perfect for woodworking, carpentry, and outdoor activities. This KY08 folding saw features a premium 8-inch SK5 steel blade, known for superior durability and excellent metal elasticity, far outlasting typical spring steel blades. Its innovative triangular blade design and thicker ebony wood handle provide exceptional stability and a comfortable grip, perfect for professional woodworking. The saw folds down to just 23.5 centimeters, making it ultra-portable and safe with a secure latch to prevent accidental opening. Plus, its double-edged blade offers versatile cutting, one side for precise, fine cuts in hardwoods, and the other for faster, rough cuts in softwoods, delivering cleaner, flatter cuts every time. The Leatherman Skeletool CX is a lightweight, compact multi-tool built for everyday use and outdoor adventures. Weighing just 5 ounces, it's easy to carry in your pocket or clip onto your gear, making it a perfect companion for hikers, campers, and anyone on the move. Despite its slim design, it packs essential tools including a sharp straight-edge blade, pliers, wire cutters, a bit driver, and a built-in bottle opener, giving you just the right functions without any extra bulk. Crafted in Portland, Oregon, and backed by a 25-year warranty, the Skeletool CX is engineered to last a lifetime. Its durable build and practical design make it ideal for those who want reliability and performance in one sleek tool. Whether you're slicing paracord, fixing something on the go, or simply opening a drink by the fire, this multi-tool is ready for whatever comes your way. This 14-in-1 pocket multi-tool is the perfect all-in-one solution for anyone who loves the outdoors or enjoys being prepared for anything. Designed for camping, hiking, fishing, home projects, and even emergencies, it combines essential tools like a hammer, axe, knife, screwdrivers, bottle opener, and more, all packed into one compact, easy-to-carry device. Built from high-grade stainless steel, it's durable enough to handle tough jobs without weighing you down. Small enough to fit in a backpack or glove box. It also comes with a belt-ready carrying pouch for quick access wherever you go. Ideal as a thoughtful gift for birthdays, holidays, Father's Day, or Mother's Day. This multi-tool suits both men and women who enjoy practical, reliable gear. Whether you're fixing something on the go, cracking open a cold drink, or handling a quick repair at the campsite, this multi-tool has your back. It replaces an entire toolbox with just one compact gadget, always handy, always ready. The Gerber Gear Dredge is a full-size, foldable shovel designed to handle tough outdoor tasks while staying portable and easy to carry. Built with a powder-coated high carbon steel blade, it's ready to perform in any weather, whether you're digging trenches, clearing out fire pits, or handling campsite chores. The dredge transitions smoothly from shovel to hoe to a compact fold, giving you versatile functionality in seconds. Its glass-filled nylon D-handle features a rubber overmold grip for comfort and control, while the shaft, reinforced with an aluminum core, ensures strength and durability. Despite its sturdy 45-inch full length, it folds down to just 25 inches and weighs only 6.75 pounds, making it a practical choice for camping, hiking, or keeping in your vehicle for emergencies. Trusted for over 85 years, Gerber Gear continues to deliver reliable tools built for real adventures. Built for adventure, this 60-liter plus 5-liter mountaineering rucksack is the perfect mix of space, comfort, and durability. With enough room to carry all your gear, tents, sleeping bags, clothes, shoes, and more, it's ideal for long hikes, camping trips, or even disaster preparedness. The ergonomic back padding and breathable mesh keep you cool and comfortable, even on tough trails. Smart features like side compression straps, a separate shoe pocket, built-in rain cover, and hydration compatibility make it incredibly practical. Made from tough, tear-resistant 420D nylon. It handles up to 15 kilograms without breaking a sweat. Whether you're climbing mountains or heading out for a weekend escape, this backpack is designed to keep up with you without weighing you down. Say goodbye to stiff backs and sleepless nights. This Hexafoam camping sleeping pad is a game changer for outdoor comfort. Its innovative design blends breathable foam and air to deliver support that traditional air mattresses or bulky foam pads simply can't match. You can adjust the firmness to your liking, whether you want a soft cushion or a solid base, so you always wake up refreshed. Inflation is a breeze thanks to the built-in foot pump. Just 45 seconds and you're done. No extra gear needed. It's built tough too, with waterproof, tear-resistant material that handles rough terrain with ease. And despite its comfort and durability, it's incredibly lightweight and compact, compressing to 1/3 the size of a regular foam pad. Perfect for backpackers who want to travel light. Plus, with an R value up to 9.5, it keeps you warm and insulated in every season. This is the all-in-one sleeping pad serious campers have been waiting for. Built for rugged adventures, this helmet combines EPP and EPS foam with a tough two-piece ABS shell for unmatched durability and impact protection. Whether you're climbing, caving, or tackling extreme environments, it offers increased coverage at the sides and back where it matters most. The low-profile suspension system keeps the fit secure without bulk, while integrated headlamp clips ensure you're ready for low-light missions. With removable and reversible Velcro pads, you can customize comfort on the fly. This helmet is built to protect, adapt, and perform. This ultra-compact portable water filter is a must-have for serious hikers, campers, and survivalists. Weighing just 13.5 ounces, it's lightweight enough to toss in any backpack or emergency kit without slowing you down. Despite its small size, it packs serious power, removing 99.999% of tested viruses, bacteria, parasites, and heavy metals like mercury and lead, meeting NSF ANSI safety standards. Whether you're at a remote stream or facing an emergency, this filter is ready to go. It runs on any USB plug, power bank, or even AA batteries, making it incredibly versatile. With the push of a button, it filters 500 milliliters, 17 ounces of water per minute, and one battery charge lasts up to 95 gallons. Easy to use, quick to set up, and backed by a lifetime warranty. This is a reliable hydration solution for any adventure. Meet the Anker Solix C1000, your ultimate power backup for home, outdoor adventures, or emergency situations. This compact powerhouse charges to 80% in just 43 minutes and hits full battery in under an hour using ultra-fast recharging via the Anker app. With a durable lithium iron phosphate battery built to last over 3,000 cycles, you're set for reliable power for up to a decade. It's not just fast, it's strong. With 2,400 watts of output and 11 ports, the Solix C1000 powers 99% of your appliances, whether you're in an RV, at a campsite, or facing a blackout at home. Go green with up to 600 watts of solar input, fully recharging in under 2 hours. It's 15% smaller than most 1 kilowatt-hour units, so it's easy to pack and carry, yet strong enough to handle serious power demands. Controlled and monitored via the Anker app, this portable power station is designed to keep you connected wherever life takes you. The Kelly Kettle is the ultimate outdoor companion for campers, hikers, and survivalists. Designed to boil water in minutes using natural fuel like twigs, leaves, or dry grass, it eliminates the need to carry gas canisters or liquid fuel, saving both space and cost. Whether you're deep in the woods or facing emergency conditions, this kettle performs reliably, even in harsh weather, giving you safe, purified water fast. Built for the rugged outdoors and backed by a 100% satisfaction guarantee, it's an eco-friendly, no-fail essential for any adventure or bug-out kit. The Tada Chair Series 1PRO is a brilliant blend of mobility and convenience, functioning as both a reliable walking stick and an instant seat. Perfect for outdoor lovers, seniors, or anyone needing occasional rest. It transforms effortlessly from cane to chair with a simple snap. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum, it's strong yet lightweight, supporting up to 265 pounds and adjusting to various heights. Its reinforced, anti-slip rubber feet offer excellent grip and stability, even on uneven terrain. Ideal for hikes, events, or travel, this smart, compact tool keeps you moving while giving you rest when you need it most. These ankle-high boots offer solid protection and support with a convenient YKK side zipper and secure hook and loop strap for easy on and off. Made from breathable fabric and tough abrasion-resistant leather, they keep your feet cool and safe during long wear. The dynamic 3-layer sole system combines a removable cushion insole for all-day comfort, a flexible midsole to reduce fatigue, and a durable slip-resistant rubber outsole that grips various outdoor terrains. Perfect for everything from daily work to camping, climbing, cycling, and more. These boots deliver comfort, durability, and reliable performance wherever your adventures take you. This versatile camping light features a safer 5,000 milliamp-hour lithium polymer battery with 3 charging options: USB-C, hand crank, and solar power. Perfect for emergencies. Its foldable design and carrying handle make it easy to hang and transport, while you can choose from yellow, white, or warm white light colors to suit your needs. The intuitive 8-button control and bright LCD screen let you easily scan and set radio channels, even at night. Plus, enjoy Bluetooth mode with 2x 7 watts stereo sound and volume control to play your favorite tunes from any compatible device. For safety, it includes a powerful flashlight and strobe with a 30-meter beam, SOS alarm at 110 decibels, and red-blue flashing lights to attract attention in emergencies. This compact survival guide is packed with essential knowledge, featuring 101 illustrations, 67 life-saving skills, 175 expert tips, and 24 gear checklists to help you stay prepared for any emergency. Designed to cut through the brain fog that often accompanies disasters, it covers critical basics like first aid, including wound care, CPR, and shock treatment, arming you with the skills and confidence to handle life-threatening situations. Lightweight and waterproof, it's an easy-to-read, engaging resource perfect for anyone who values safety. Whether as a thoughtful gift or a personal must-have, this guide makes an ideal stocking stuffer for holidays or travel enthusiasts, giving you and your loved ones peace of mind when it matters most. This versatile lantern delivers up to 425 lumens of soft, natural light with independent controls for spotlight, floodlight, and red light modes, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Its 2-in-1 spotlight and floodlight feature adjustable color temperatures from warm amber to daylight with stepless dimming for personalized brightness. The red light options include steady, strobe, and SOS modes to preserve night vision, reduce mosquito attraction, and boost safety in emergencies. Rechargeable via USB-C, it powers your devices with its built-in 4,400 milliamp-hour battery and offers long run times of up to 64 hours depending on the mode. Designed for ultimate convenience, it features a hidden handle, folding bracket, universal threaded mounts for tripods, and magnets for hands-free use on metal surfaces. The disassembly-free design allows easy switching between lantern and flashlight modes, while its durable, water-resistant ABS construction ensures reliable performance in all weather conditions. Built tough with durable 1055 carbon steel for long-lasting edge retention, this rugged tool features a dense Tennessee hickory handle designed to withstand hard use, perfect for splitting wood or hammering tent stakes. It's a versatile must-have for outdoor enthusiasts. Expertly designed by Ryan Johnson of RMJ Tactical and backed by a limited lifetime warranty for peace of mind. This quality-crafted EDC knife packs versatility into a compact 1-inch plain edge blade, perfect for cutting and scraping on the go. Its ergonomic aluminum handle resists corrosion, making it durable and reliable for everyday carry. Lightweight and slim, it fits easily on your belt, pocket, or keychain. Ideal for outdoor lovers, tradesmen, and anyone needing a handy, dependable tool, backed by Gerber's limited lifetime warranty for peace of mind. This 11-in-1 multi-tool is the ultimate compact survival companion, combining essential gear like a plain edge blade, saw, scissors, ferro rod striker, and more. All crafted from durable stainless steel. Its slim design fits effortlessly in your pocket or clips onto your gear with the included carabiner, making it perfect for hunters, campers, and everyday carry. Lightweight yet tough, it's a must-have addition to your outdoor and work essentials, Backed by Gerber's limited lifetime warranty for reliable performance wherever you go. The Go Time Gear Life Tent is your ultimate emergency shelter, crafted from durable PET mylar that reflects 90% of your body heat to keep you warm in any weather, especially vital for winter camping and hiking. Weighing just 8.7 ounces, this waterproof, windproof tube tent is incredibly lightweight and packs down small, making it a must-have for any survival kit or backpack. Setup is quick and versatile. You can hang it between trees or anchor it with rocks. And it even doubles as an emergency sleeping bag or bivy sack. Plus, it includes a powerful 120 decibel whistle for signaling and a strong 550-pound rated drawstring, ensuring you stay safe and prepared in the wild. Reliable, compact, and packed with life-saving features, this shelter is essential outdoor gear for every adventurer.